Alright guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I want to show you guys how to create an anime style health bar UI. Something like this right here. Now, I think this looks pretty good, and it is actually a lot more simple than it might appear. So yeah, without further ado, although if you guys want to show some support, head over to gfxcomment.com. These videos take effort, so any support is highly appreciated. We got lots of stuff here for you to choose from. This will just allow me to keep making videos. Now the first step is I want to create this avatar section right here. So we're going to make a new layer, and let's go click and hold rectangle tool right here, and for the roundness, the radius of the corners, I'm just gonna put 2, so a very trivial amount. And you want to click and hold, then you want to hold shift and alt. As you drag out, this will be anchored to the center, basically. Drag this out, and you're going to make sure you have the option shape here and fill. You could change the color. I'm just going to keep it on white, and stroke is going to be off. Now we're going to hit Control T, and we go to this angle, this rotate area section. We're gonna put 45 and hit enter. Now you can see we have the same shape. Control T. Let's resize and make sure this matches properly. Okay, right click. Let's hit blending options up here. We're gonna go for a gradient overlay. Change the angle to -90. We're just gonna click, double click here, and for the first color it's gonna be this, and for the second color it will be this right here. It's a bit purplish. I don't really want that. Let's make it like bluish, I guess. More of a fan of this, actually. I don't know why these are here. Okay. Alright, anyways. This looks pretty good. There is a slight inner shadow. So inner shadow, let's make the color black. Distance at 0. It's very slight at maybe 1 pixel. Just gonna hit OK. Alright, now hit Control J to make a copy. We're going to take FX and drag this to the trash can to remove our FX. Let's go back to our rectangle tool. We're going to go to fill. We're going to turn fill off. We're going to go to stroke and turn stroke on. Let's make the size 10. And right here, let's Control T and enlarge this. So there is a very slight gap between here, like so. As you can see right here, there's like a so the shadow can show through, basically. And change the roundness of the corners to 0 on the sharp corners. With this, let's go back into blending options up here. Change the color to this tan color that we have. We're gonna go bevel and emboss. Soften down. Let's increase the size, and we're gonna change the angle as well. Put this on the overlay. Now we're just going to have to mess around with this until we get a nice result. So I'm gonna go for this standard contour. Let's change this technique to chisel hard. Alright, so I think this is pretty fair for what we were going for. And I guess this little part, we could just add a stroke, honestly, and make this black. Yeah, probably is gonna work better. Now for this outer part, same thing, Control J, let's make a copy, Control T. Just go to enlarge. All right, like so. We're going to configure a few things. All right, this is a. I'm gonna adjust this to like 7. I'm gonna put this thing behind. Scale this. Scale it right here. And change the caps. Align inner. It's gonna change how this will look, as you can see. All right. Change this bevel size. And the angle. Contour. And also the color. Okay. Decrease this. And yeah, this looks pretty good if you ask me. Let's take a look. Perhaps let's increase this 13 or 15, but we want to enlarge this once more. All right, that is definitely better. I like how this looks, truthfully. Okay, that is the avatar section. Now we're gonna do the actual, I guess what you call the bars. So new layer, and right here this is empty and blank. It's just the border. However, we could have a container, like an actual fill for this. So you can hold shift, make a straight line. We're going to, let's use a ruler here. Click up, straight line back, and we could Control J, copy, Control T. Oops. Control T, right click, flip vertical. This will allow us to have this. It's nice container. It's nice shape. Right here. Let's put this under. Basically, I'm just gonna make this gray. Alright, so here, now for this border part, we can copy, so Control J, once again, go back to rectangle, turn fill off, stroke on. It's kind of hard to see, I apologize for that. I'll fix that in a second after I change the color. Let's make the background a nice dark gray, much better. Alright, so with this, I am intending to make this a bit thicker. Alright, this part is kind of botched. I think that's just the shape. Yeah. Align inner. Okay, that fixes it. Cool. Let's resize this and resize this accordingly. Alright, and the best part about this is we can literally take this, right click, copy layer style. Go right here, right click and copy, and I mean paste layer style. And as you can see, we have this really nice border. And to save time, we can just copy this under, like so. And I think the color I've chosen is a little bit too colorful, so let me adjust the color. That's not any better, is it? How about we just go into color overlay? Okay, right here. Makes sense. There we go. Copy and paste. Oops. Alright, and here we have our main UI. And for the actual bar, it's actually quite simple. So, good thing we have the container, because we just copy Control J into a nice gradient overlay. Change the angle to 0. Just gotta type it. Change the color. Boom. That looks spectacular. Let's go for inner shadow of the color white. It's a bit more choke. Overlay. And let me know what you guys think about this, because this looks pretty damn good, honestly. Right here, if you want to change the color quickly, one thing you can do is just right click, rasterize their style, Control U. This will allow us to quickly change this color. Let's just do blue. Why not? And there you guys basically have it. There is your anime style UI. If this video has helped you guys at all, make sure to drop a like down below. Also check out our store. Consider grabbing any of our templates. We have a starter pack which basically contains all of our free stuff for free, obviously. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care.